Hello and welcome to another Satnav Systems video. Today I'm sitting in an Audi Q7. This is 2015 model. So the first generation of Q7s that still have buttons here and so on. It's not the one that has screens everywhere. This one has buttons for the climate control, buttons to operate certain other options and screen, and obviously buttons, the middle console to control the MMI system. Now this car came to us with a problem, which is the telephone issue. It gets stuck on the message, please wait. So let me just start the system now. I'm gonna start actually the car. So this will come up and the system will come up. And now I'm gonna just press telephone, which is here, go down. And this is the screen we get. So it says, please wait. And nothing happens. It just stays. It gets stuck in there, so enables you to connect your phone to and so on. All the other options like radio and menu and all that's still working. It's just the telephone part is stuck on this screen here. So we're gonna attempt to repair it, and we'll show you when it's all done. Right, I'm back in the car. We got it all diagnosed and checked, and we fixed the system now. So you can I'm just going to show you now the system fully operating. I apologize for the flickering as you see on the screen, but this is how the camera is picking up. It's not flickering, it's just the way the camera is picking it up. But being here, let's just go to menu now. So I'm just going to use this that's our main menu, which can go through different things. I'm just going to go to telephone now. And as you can see, it's working, and there's no longer saying please wait. It's allowing us to go into it. I can go to directory. I can go to let me just go back. I can go to favorites. I can, well, don't have any here, but call list, so you can see dialed, received calls and so on. That all working as well. And yeah, all fully working again, allowing us to use it for Bluetooth calls, as well as music and all that. So fully functioning again. So all fully repaired, back to the way it should be, fully functioning. If you have any problems with your MMI system, links will be in the description. So just get in touch with us, and we'll be happy to assist you. So yes, thank you again for joining us, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.